Okay, so here we have Blythe Bonnie's 4-layer face mask. I'll just show you how to put it on. So, overhead. And then there's a toggle at the back here which you tighten up. This one here should sit high on the head, and then the last thing you do is clamp the nose wire to your nose. That way, when you put on your glasses, you should be able to carry on talking without your glasses steaming up, which for those of you who wear glasses is a real pain. Now the construction of these face masks includes this, which is a non-woven fabric. There are 2 layers of this on the inside as a filter, in effect, and then that's encased in 2 layers, a layer on each side of high quality cotton fabric, which is very tightly woven. This particular design is actually reversible, so on the other side of this one you've got a lighter coloured one which is quite plain, or this side which I prefer, which is the more funky, lively, friendly otter design. This is one of my other favourite ones, which is also quite cheerful. May as well have a bit of fun whilst we're having to wear these things after all. So the nose wire is actually just a piece of a single core copper wire encased in plastic. It's electrical wire. It's actually very bendy, and it will bend lots and lots of times before it snaps. And if you do find that it snaps, it's probably fairly easily replaceable. And so this wire here fits inside a pocket there, which you insert from here. So, and when washing these, the suggestion actually is to remove the wire just in case it punctures through the fabric. Although in practice, we've been washing them without taking the wires out, and we haven't had any disasters so far. Anyway, so that's it, and I haven't really steamed up whilst speaking there. So there we go, the 4-layer face mask from Blythe Bonnie.